Good morning, everyone. This is Gary Kay, and you are watching a special edition of my Rants and Raves podcast. It is actually a video edition. We're doing some ISE follow-up, and I'm excited to be joined with Salome Rodenberg. I don't know if I did a good job with that or not. Salome, how was that?
You did. Hi, ready for you.
Good morning. Good morning. Salome is an account executive at Zoom based in the Netherlands. Of course, the show ISE was in Amsterdam at the Amsterdam RAI. So first off, welcome to rAVe Radio.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's your first time on here. What do you think? You impressed so far in this first 30 seconds?
Yeah, definitely.
Got a little ways to go. No, everyone knows Zoom. Zoom has sort of revolutionized our industry. Eric's vision for happiness was critical because he wanted to keep everything simple and he wanted it to be a pleasant experience, which video conferencing has not been historically. In the last couple of years, or the last 5 years, I should say, Zoom has revolutionized that. What differentiates your platform over all the others that are out there? Because there is a lot to choose from.
Yeah, of course. There's indeed a lot to choose from. What makes it so great, Zoom, it's more than just a platform. We're here to deliver happiness to our customers. I think that's the most important thing. You will notice that as well between all the employees, how they collaborate with each other. And that's the message that we also want to bring out to the world, to deliver happiness. And that's with a great platform. We built this from the ground up. So this is a totally new platform. This is our core business. This is our only business. And we are a video first platform made for this.
Yeah, and that's key because a lot of the other platforms started as audio or collaboration platforms and then added video, and that's been the complication. In fact, I looked at a statistics the other day while I was at ISE. A manufacturer shared with me a report. A research company shared with me a report they had done where it showed that 45% of Microsoft Teams users actually use Zoom video inside of Microsoft Teams or use Zoom as their video platform. I think that alone speaks for itself. Of course, you've risen to neck and neck with Cisco, which is a company that's been doing video for 20 years. In a very short period of time. But one of the things that's cool about Zoom is it's not only a room-based platform, but it's also a mobile platform. And I think you're on a mobile device right now, right?
Yeah, I'm on my Mac at the moment, and I have a virtual background. So I'm actually here in a conference room. But we also launched a new feature, which is quite awesome, I think. So now we're in Amsterdam with the virtual background. It's moving. So we launched that just 2 weeks ago. So we're still really excited with this video virtual background. But let's jump into a Zoom room.
Yeah, this is the cool thing. I want everybody to watch this. So basically, she's going to get up and go into a Zoom room. Now, she's on a mobile device right now. The video backgrounds is really cool. I use a plain old room. But I also do use a green screen that I have here that I pull up, and we do virtual backgrounds, but not video. So we'll have to incorporate that into our meetings. But you're going to move. You're going to do this in real time. So let's do this.
We're going to do this real time, indeed. I just want to give you the full experience, how easy it is. I booked the meeting beforehand just with my Gmail or Outlook, whatever you want. And here you can see the scheduling display. You can see that the meeting is booked there, because I did it before. So I'm going into the meeting room right now as we speak, and I will start the meeting with one click.
So basically what you're doing is staying in a meeting, moving to a room, and adding a second meeting participant simultaneously to staying in the same meeting while doing it mobile. That's pretty amazing.
So how easy was that, do you think?
I think so. So we moved literally from a mobile meeting to a room-based meeting without having to stop the platform.
Exactly, easy as that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and the great thing is I'm now on a D10, which is a touch screen. So I can do literally anything from the screen. I can draw on the screen if I want to, but I also have the option to do it with a controller. So I have literally the same experience on the conference room, on the mobile device, in the Zoom room. So literally everybody can do it.
Yeah, this is a great demo. Salome, I really appreciate it. Of course, you can get all the information about Zoom and all the stuff they've launched in the last 6 months on their platform at ravepubs.com/ISE 2020. Or you can go to zoom.us, zoom.us. Do y'all own zoom.com yet? I can't remember.
Good question. Let me get back to you with that.
I can't remember. I feel like that's a new thing that they've done, but let's stick with zoom.us because I know that works. And Salome, I really appreciate you doing this. I will put your profile in the description of this podcast. And of course, all the videos we shot at ISE with Zoom and all their partners are at ravepubs.com/ISE 2020. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.